Here is the Panasonic fan.
Well, it is so fast, and it's in Costa Rica. That's really English, my voice. Here it is, and here's the wall control.
Let's see. Let's turn it to speed 1.
Okay, that's speed 1. Sorry about the bathroom noise. Okay, that's speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. I can tell you, this is so fast. I think this is like the haiku speed right there. Let's just lower it. And finally, 5. This is like way so fast. Hear that noise? It's just air blowing so hard. It's not too wobbly, and it's on a volcano. Let me see if you can see me right there. Yeah. Sonic, let's slow it down.
Okay, so that's the Panasonic.